This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about plastic wrap, specifically these two items that are part of the Restaurantware base line, and they're a clear plastic food wrap. They come in two sizes, the 12-inch, right, and that's the length here that we have in front, and the 18-inch, and they're both 2,000 feet long. So you're getting a lot of plastic wrap, right? And they're both BPA and PVC free, which makes them unique among a lot of plastic wraps and much safer choice. They're also microwave safe, which is fantastic. It means you can use them for wrapping up leftovers or items that are going to need to be reheated. And it's a nice, strong, durable plastic as well. They come in really convenient storage / dispensing boxes that come with lovely little slides, which means you're always going to do precision cuts, which is fantastic, and it's going to give you a lot less waste from uneven tears. So it's a nice, well-designed, sturdy box that's going to be great to use in both your home or in a restaurant or food service environment.